I'll spend maybe 20-30 minutes recording this video and then a couple of hours editing it. The reality is anyone can record a video. It is actually pretty easy. But once you're done recording that video, that's when the real work begins, the editing. As always, we'll have a link in the description below, but today we are looking at Trupeer AI. And Trupeer AI will help you with the whole editing process that I was just talking about. And Trupeer AI has so many features that make the editing that much easier, that much better. So for example, they have smart zooming where it will automatically zoom in to key areas while you're recording. They can add in animations for you. They can even cut out all the dead spots, the silences, the pauses within a video. You have studio quality voiceovers. You can add in avatars. There's a lot more, but let's stop talking about it. Let me show you. So when you're logged in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And you can see in the top left, we have the ability to start recording, or we can upload our own video. There is also a Chrome extension that you can install. And if you have the Chrome extension installed, you can click up here and it's going to say, hey, do we want to use your microphone? I can say, yes, I want to allow, and you can actually see the mic is starting to work. So you can see, okay, we want to show the toolbar, which is going to pop up at the bottom here, and we can use this to help us to know what we're using when we're recording. So we can actually use their built-in Chrome extension to make the recording a little easier. We can also hit show more options, and we can do a countdown so you know exactly when it's going to start recording. There's none of that like, hey, did it start, or am I recording? Am I live right now? Or again, you can upload your own video. So we're going to give it a try. I'm going to record a short little video about me teaching you a quick Python program. So we're going to start by going to the Chrome extension up here, and we're going to hit start recording. And you're going to see here, it's going to say, hey, it's going to capture your screen, and we're going to hit allow. And now I'm going to say, hey, I only want you to record my VS Code editor. So now I'm going to load VS Code and I'm going to start explaining my code. And I'm going to do like a whole little intro and everything like that. And you're going to see it all get edited and cropped up. Also see at the bottom here, it says Trupeer AI screen recorder and video editor is sharing a window. Hey everyone. So I'm going to show you today how to create your own guessing game using Python. So we're going to first start by importing a library called random, and that is going to allow us to randomize numbers for our game. Then we have a function here, and you can see our function is called guess the number. We're going to say, hey, welcome, guess 1 to 100.
5 minutes later.
And that's pretty much the end of the game. Thanks for watching my Python tutorial. So we are done recording. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to hit finish recording. And now you can actually see our screen recording here. We can play it back. And also at the top, we can say, okay, we want to generate a video. We want to generate a document for our video. We can also, hey, we want to use a template. So is this a marketing video? Is this an onboarding video, a sales video, or is there like some sort of documentation we want to add to have it understand what our video is about? We can also hit here. We can trim the recording automatically. We can crop the video. So we can say, hey, there's this like whole part on the right side of the video. I don't want that in there. Or we can translate the entire content to a totally different language. So at the bottom here, you can see we can generate AI content, and we're going to click that and it's going to start generating. It's going to open up an entire new UI for us with a nice editor, and an entire video has been edited in one click. So at the bottom here, the yellow markers, these are like visual effects that it has added. You can actually go through, we can hit play, you can see everything it's done. On the left, we can actually see a script. So it's actually really cool because I can click any individual word and I can jump to that part of the script. So we can actually like say, hey, where did I say this? Or where did I say that? You can also see here, we can add a scene to our video. So we can say, hey, I want to add a scene and I want to like add an introduction and I want to record something new, or I want to add my own media. Maybe I want to add like an introduction, Python guessing game tutorial, and we can just add this in, boom, just like that. Our video now starts off with this instead of nothing. Also along the top, we can use AI voice. So we can say, hey, I want to use the original voice that I recorded it in, or we can select an entire voiceover. So we can say, hey, instead of me talking, we can just change it to any of these voices. So let's use this like excited for social media. And you also have the ability to do your own custom voices if you want. We can add music, and we can say, okay, we want to have it like soft in the background. We can add different visuals, again, like backgrounds and scenes and all sorts of fun things to our recording. And you can see here, we have like shadows, and we can say, okay, we don't want the corners that rounded, do we? And it's able to update. And you can see the corners are less rounded. Again, we can change the background because we're like doing a whole recording, a whole tutorial on Python. And you can see here, that looks pretty cool, right? Or again, we can do like our own custom background if we want. And it's really cool too, because you can adjust the padding, and the padding adjusts how far out the video is, so you can actually see that background that we're just playing around with. Again, we can go back to zooms, and we can see on our timeline, we can click any of them. You can see the zoom position, where it's coming from, the level. Again, it did all this automatically. Now, we have AI avatar, and we can actually enable an avatar so she will be talking instead of just like no one talking. Because you got to remember, when we were recording this, it was just my voice. I wasn't actually in the picture like I am here in the bottom right. So we can actually add someone back, and we can like modify the layout. So now we have like our own AI voice with our own AI avatar that is going to do an entire voiceover for our little like 2-minute clip that we made. We can also add different elements if we want. Coming back to the script, because it's going to be like a voiceover now, we can actually highlight any part, and we can say, hey, I want to actually trim that little part out because we don't need that anymore, or it's like it didn't make sense within the context of the video, or maybe we made a mistake. So you can see here, editing is a lot easier. So in like under a couple of minutes, we have an entire edited video that we just made. And then if the script isn't perfect, we can actually use this, and we can say, hey, AI, can you rewrite the script again? And I want to make it more conversational or technical or whatever you want. It can make the adjustments to your script, so your video is going to be exactly what you're looking for. Or alternatively, you can say, hey, I want to be more human. We can say, hey, use the original that I had here. Don't change that up at all. And then when you're ready to go, in the top right, we can actually hit export. There's also this whole translate content option. So we can say, hey, I want to translate this into any of these different languages. And you can see there's a long list to pick from. And we're ready. Let's hit export. So after recording and very quickly editing, our final video looks like this.
Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to create your very own guessing game using Python. To get started, we'll first need to import a library called random. This library will help us randomize numbers for our game. Next up, we have a function here called guess the number. We'll kick things off by greeting players with a welcoming message. Hey, welcome! Guess a number between 1 and 100.
So as you can see, we're able to edit that entire video in just one click, but not just edit it. We're able to change the script around a little bit, make it flow better, add an entire avatar in, and change the voice. And as I mentioned before, there is also the whole document aspect. So maybe you want to do a blog with your video. You can see we have access to all this where it writes it up for you. But if we go back to video for a second, again, we can translate this content into another language, or we can go back into the edit screen. And just as I said, instead of using the AI voice, we can use my original voice. So we don't have to use an AI voice. Maybe we want just the AI to like slice it up, add the transitions, have it zoom in when it should. We have that ability where we don't have to put in a fake voice. We don't have to put in an AI avatar, or maybe we want to like make our own custom avatar of like ourselves and put that in. So I can literally have an AI avatar of myself talking with my voice, or an AI version of me talking with an AI voice of me in there. So there's a lot of options, but again, Trupeer makes the entire editing process really easy. It's just like one click and it happens. It allows you to go from like a slow editing process to something much quicker. And the fun part, everything you've seen in this video has been done on a completely free account. So you can try it before you buy it. And you can see the pricing here, and it gets a little bit better because if you use my link in the description below, you get an additional 20% off. Now there's one last feature I want to show you, and that is called brand kits. So you can actually add your own brand kit. So maybe you want to add your own logo, or your own music, your own background images, avatars, everything else talking about, you can add it all here so the video stays yours. It stays with your theme, your branding. You can even adjust the pronunciation of whatever you want to pronounce. Again, you can try completely free. Everything I've done has been on a complete free account just for signing up, and you can do the same. So go give it a go. Let me know what your thoughts are about this one in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest and greatest AI content that's out there. Try to keep you up to date with everything that's going on and bring you cool tools like this one where it makes the entire editing process that much faster, that much easier. One click, really cool video. I thought this one was neat. Let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video.
AI tools, AI news, AI free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.